The first icon on the left side is manual mode. You can freely adjust temperature and time settings by dragging the sliders. You can also adjust the set temperature by rotating the knob. After setting the temperature and time, click the Start button to preheat. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, the screen will prompt to add food. Click Done and the countdown for the menu will start. Click on the third icon from the left to enter the settings interface. You can set the system language by yourself. Set temperature units. Click the menu button to enter the menu settings. You can add, modify, and delete items from the menu. Click on the first option to add a menu item. Choose a menu name and set the desired temperature and time. Click the button to save the menu settings. The second icon on the left column is Menu Mode. You can scroll through the menu bar in the top right corner or rotate the knob to find the menu. This is the menu that was just added. Click the Start button to begin preheating the fryer. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, the screen will prompt you to add the food. Click Done, and the menu will start the countdown. After activating the menu, if there is no interaction with the screen within 30 seconds, the screen will automatically switch to a simpler interface. Click the second option to edit the menu. Select the menu you want to modify. Click the Edit button to enter the modification mode. To modify, drag the settings bar as before. Then click the Save button to save. Here you can see that the menu has been successfully modified. Click the third option to delete a menu. Select the menu you want to delete and confirm the deletion.